Here is how to fix FPL verification code not received. So if you are not receiving the verification code from Fantasy Premier League, do not worry. In this video, I'll show you several methods you can try to fix the problem. So first, you need to ensure that you have entered the correct email address or phone number linked to your Fantasy Premier League account. A small typo can prevent the verification code from being delivered. So you can click on My PL settings, then go to My account, select personal details, select the email address and check email address entered here is accessible as well. If you're expecting the code by email, you can also check your spam or junk or promotions or updates folder, as the email may have been filtered there. And if you're waiting for an SMS code, make sure that your phone has a strong network signal and that airplane mode is turned off. Wait for a few minutes before requesting another code, and sending multiple requests in a short period can temporarily delay or block new verification codes. If you still haven't received the code, you can go ahead and select resend code, restart your phone, or refresh the web page if you're using a web browser. And if you're using a Fantasy Premier League application, make sure that it's updated to its latest version. You need to open your App Store if you're using the iOS devices and the Play Store if you're using Android. Search for FPL, and if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. And if you're using a web browser, clear your browser cache and cookies, or try using a different browser or an incognito or private window. Also, disable any VPN or proxy service, as it may interfere with the verification process, and sometimes the issue can be caused by temporary server problems or heavy traffic on Fantasy Premier League servers. In that case, wait for a while and try requesting the verification code again later. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again